So today I'm going to show you how to purchase Microsoft stock on the Robinhood app. Now we're going to be here in real time so you can follow along step by step. We're currently on the homepage. You can see on the bottom left hand side this is highlighted. And the first thing we want to make sure is that we have some buying power. You can see over here we got $94.76. Now I'll show you at the end of this video how to add more money to your Robinhood account if needed. Now what we want to do is actually go up towards the very top of the screen here. You're going to see where it actually has a little magnifying glass. We're going to click on this, and that's going to take us to our browse feature. And then right up at the very top, you're going to see that search bar. We're going to go ahead and tap on this. Now from here, you can go ahead and type in Microsoft all together right there, or you can put in the ticker number, which is MSFT. So you can see it right here at the very top. We're going to go ahead and click on this. And that's going to take us to the Microsoft page right over here. Again, you can see the ticker number, you can see the company, and then the current share price. Now what we want to do is go ahead and go down to our trade section, click on this. And then there is going to be the buy button over here at the very bottom. We're going to click on this option. And that's going to take us to the market order page for us. Now, on the market order page right over here, you can see it says number of shares, and you can toss in the number of shares. Like I'll put 1, for example, and it's going to show you the estimated cost, which is $438.29 as of this recording. Now, if we're not wanting to buy in full shares, we can go ahead and click on the word shares up at the top right-hand side. And from here, it's going to give us new options to either buy in dollars or do additional different types of orders. But today, for our quick example, we want to go ahead and purchase in dollars. Let's go ahead and click on this. And now it's going to give us a dollar amount that we can go ahead and put in. So let's say we want to buy $15 worth of Microsoft. We're going to type in 15. And then we're going to click on the word review. And that's going to take us to this new page here. It's going to show you how many shares approximately this will account for. It'll give you a quick little summary right over here. And then you can go ahead and swipe right up here to go ahead and submit. And if you're doing this off market hours, it's going to show it as queued. If you're doing it during market hours, this most likely will go in right away. And it'll show you how much you have purchased and how much you get in your shares. Once everything looks good here, you can go ahead and click on done. And you have just purchased Microsoft stock on Robinhood. Now we got to make sure you have money in your buying power to go ahead and make this purchase, and we got you covered. Check out our video right over here on screen to learn how to deposit money in your Robinhood account.